Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you about the axis modifiers. Axis modifiers. Then axis modifiers are public, private, then protected, then default. So these are 4 axis modifiers. So let me show the difference. So let me take the example of book class. It is here in these are all default. So I am changing one thing as private and another thing is public, another thing is protected, and another thing is default int some value. Yeah, fine guys. And here fine guys, I have given here the 4 modifiers which I have taught. So what will happen when we keep them? So just see here, I am going to access them, then we will get to understand what is going to happen. Suppose int pages, b dot pages, fine. I am going to access this. I am going to store some value there. See what happens. I am going to compile. It is showing error. Page has private access in book. It is compilation error, not runtime error. So when a variable or a method is kept private, so its scope is to that class only. It can be accessible the methods in that class. It can't go out of the class. So this is about the private. Public means any classes can use out of the package or anywhere else. Packages are the things, these are the packages. Under packages there may be many classes, okay. And public means we can use anywhere else. Protected means only subclasses can use. Suppose there is a class called book and there is a class called page. When page extends book, suppose page is a subclass of book, then only page can only use the name, I mean the name variable. Suppose if it is default, it can be used throughout the package. That means suppose if there are 10 classes under this package, the 10 classes can use that. So this is all about the things. So there we called the average. It is of default modifier type. So if I am going to keep the private here, again the error comes here, b dot pages, just remove it, it is an error. So previously we have executed this. See what happens now. Yeah, again the same thing, private access. So these is the things we should keep in mind. These are 4 axis modifiers, very important. Don't forget these things. So these are the things about axis modifiers, and there are non-axis modifiers which I will be telling in next tutorial. So until then, please do practice. Fine guys.